Okay, welcome back once again to this lesson. Now in this lesson we are going to practice and learn how to draw this Android logo in AutoCAD for beginners. Okay, so let's pay attention, and it's not difficult. Let's pay attention and then we learn how to do it. So let's analyze our dimensions. Every dimension is in millimeters. So let's watch. You look at these two legs. The distance or the diameter for this leg is 12.5. So we'll start from the base here. Okay, so we'll draw a circle with a diameter of 12.5. So let's do that. So open your AutoCAD at the center, diameter, click anywhere, 12.5, zoom out. Okay, so this is one of our leg. Now the height, that is from the center to this place, is 11 millimeters. So just pick line, then from the center, this quadrant, just move up 11. Okay, and then you can add one more line, also 11. Good. Let's trim. TR for trim, that shortcut. Good. Now we have one leg already. And now if you watch, the distance between these two is 25.5. Okay, so I'll just copy this, CO for copy, and just drag it, 25.5. So when you drag it to your right, just drag any distance and then enter 25.5, press enter to give you the actual measurement or the dimension. Good. Now if you watch, we have the distance that is from here to here is 50 millimeters. Okay, so I'll just draw a horizontal line, 50, press enter. Now I need to locate the center and fix it here. So select it. So I'll just go to move. I'll use the shortcut M for move. Now locate the center. Now press and hold your shift key, right click, and then you see made between 2 points. Okay, you want to fix it at the center of this. So it says specify second point or use first point as displacement. So this is my first point and this is my second point, so automatically to fit into the middle. Okay, so from here the height, that is from this place to this side, is 46. So pick a line, move up 46 and track it from this point, click and click. Okay, so we are almost done with the down here. You can trim this part, so let's just trim this place and this place. Okay, now there's a fillet here. If you watch, the radius is 2.5. so pick fillet, select radius, enter 2.5, then the same thing, press enter to repeat. Okay, now let's proceed. We are done with the down here. Let's go to the top. Now from the top we are going to draw this thing over here. Now you can see the distance over here is shown here, 3.8 millimeters. Okay, so select this line and then offset, then enter 3.8 and just click. All right, so we have a circle here, the radius of, or an arc with a radius of 25 millimeters. So just pick center radius, and this is our center, and then just enter 25. And now we can trim this part here and here. Good. So we are also going gradually to this part. Now let's build this. Let's do this side first, then after that we continue with the rest. So you can see from this place to this side is 6.6. okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just and then you can see from the base here, the set from center to center is actually 64. Okay, so I'm going to 64.2. so I'm going to draw a line, horizontal line, just anywhere like this. 64.2. Now I'll move it and locate the center. Okay, so when I move it, I'll just press and hold my shift key, then right click, then I'll select from. Then this is where I want to start from here. Then I move down. What is the distance? Is 6.6, so I'll move down 6.6, and then I'll get the exact location for this one. So if you watch, the radius is 3.6, so pick circle radius or center radius, then enter 3.6. The distance is 30.8, so I'll just copy this one, then I'll move down 30.8. okay, now I'll just add a line from the quadrants to this side. Pick a line again from this point to this point. Now I can delete this line, I don't need it, and let me do some trimming on this side. Okay, so now I'll select the whole of this, and then I'll mirror. So MI for mirror shortcut, and this is my first point, and then my second point. Erase source object, just click no. Okay, so now I'm done with this. We are done with this aspect again. So let's move to the top. Now moving to the top, let me draw a vertical line, center vertical line from here to this point. Okay, now you can see the distance from this place to this place is 11, so I'll just do some offset here. Select this line, offset 11. Okay, and then from this point to the top here is 14 millimeters, so I'll just select this line, copy, or even I can just select this line, or even just pick the center radius. What's the diameter? The diameter is 5. Okay, so center diameter. Then from here I'll not click, I'll just drag up, and then it's 14. Drag up and then enter 14. Okay, it will just give me the location, and it's 5, so I have my 5. So with this I can just mirror to my right. No, good. Now I can delete this line. Okay, so what is remaining is actually this thing over here. Now how do we obtain that? It's very simple. You can see we have an angle of 30 degrees, so that is from this place. Okay, and then the length is actually 13. So what I'm going to do is, let me reduce this one. I'm going to pick line, then from this place I'll move up 13. Okay, yeah, and then I'm going to select this and then rotate. So RO for rotate. Where is my base point? I'll use this as my base point. Now I'm going to rotate at negative 30. Okay, negative 30 is going to give me negative 30 is going to give me the angle. So from here, the distance between these two is 16 millimeters. Okay, so what I can do is, there are so many ways to do it. So let me just use a line. Let's try that and see. Enter 16, and then I'll move this line. I'm just doing this for beginners, and fix it here. Okay, yeah, so we have the 16, the line is fixed here. All right, so we can move. If you like, you can extend this line downward to this point so that you get a correct thing, and then move this line. Just move it. M for move and fix it here. Okay, make sure it's at the correct place. Now you can then delete these two lines. Okay, so now let's the distance between them, the gap is 1.5. So offset 1.5 downward. Okay, so I'll do some trimming. Let's trim here and here. Okay, so I will just pick a line and then close this side. Now there's a fillet of 0.6, so just pick fillet, radius 0.6. now press enter, then click here, press enter again, click here, and then click here. Okay, so I'll select this whole thing and then I'll mirror, mi for mirror, then just fix it at this place. So let me trim this part. Okay, so let me extend the center line, and then I'll change this line to a center line. So just go to the properties, order, load, and then select center line. Then I'll change this to the center line. You can even change the color as well if you want. Let me give it this. Okay, so if you watch, basically this is what is expected of us, and our work is nice and neatly done. For the dimensioning, I've already taught how to dimension work, so you can visit my previous videos and watch how you can actually dimension your work. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to you. See you in my